participant, which was quite encouraging. So this year we finally decided to conduct the second STTP in the series. This time also we have got about 50 registrations from various parts of the country, from north to south and from east to west. In this inaugural function, we are fortunate to have Professor S.R. Gandhi, Honorable Director, SVNIT Surat. Professor Gandhi was a visiting professor in the Department of Civil Engineering, IIT Madras, before joining SVNIT Surat as a director. His research areas include pile foundation, ground improvement, field instrumentation, fly ash disposal. With immense pleasure and honor, I would like to invite our director to say a few words. Sir.
Okay, Namaskar. A very good morning to all. I am very happy that the Department of Physics at SVNIT Surat is organizing this second short-term training program on computational tool for physics. This is organized by the Department of Physics, and the faculty as well as the research scholars and all have put in a lot of efforts in making various arrangements. I would like to welcome the head of the department, the faculty colleagues, the course participants, and research scholars to this inaugural function. I am sure that the program has all well-known experts working in this area. Said Pandey, who is one of the coordinators, and I wish the event all success. This being a pandemic situation, we are not able to host you physically on the campus. But as was mentioned, this is second short-term program, and the Department of Physics will considering offering it year after year. And by next time, you will have a chance to visit the campus in person and see some of our facilities. This is also a Diamond Jubilee year of the SVNIT. We have completed 60 years, and many programs are organized as part of this. This is also one of the such programs, and I am sure that with these, the participants and the speakers will have a good platform to interact with each other. Don't consider this as a single opportunity to listen to the participant. Interact with them, and now that you know their area of expertise, you can contact them in future also through email, and I am sure they will provide you the required help. So I wish the event all success, and I thank the organizer for giving me this opportunity to participate in this inaugural function. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words and your consistent support that we receive. Moving forward, may I now request Dr. Dimple Shah, Head, Department of Physics, to brief about the department.
Greetings. On the behalf of the department, I welcome the eminent speaker of the program, our Honorable Director, Professor S.R. Gandhi, sir, colleague fellows, and participants. It gives me an immense pleasure to project my department before you. The Department of Physics has its humble beginning in 2009. It offers a catalog of academic programs for UG, PG, and doctoral levels. Right from its accession, the department has expanded its scope steadily and at a phenomenal rate. With an arsenal of 13 faculties I mean, I would say experimental people, the experienced people, the department continues to contribute significantly in different areas of theoretical and experimental physics. The vision of the department agrees with the vision of the faculty and the institute to raise the level of the educating physicist and experiment and the scientific research. So the department has embarked on continual upgrading of its knowledge by organizing various short-term training programs, international and national conferences and workshops in line with our desire to train the holistic physics fraternity that makes positive contribution to our nation and whole mankind. With this, I thank all the speakers for accepting our invitation and sharing their knowledge and experience. I congratulate organizers for successful completion of the program. Thank you.
Thank you, Dimple ma'am. I now request Dr. Devesh Roy, Associate Professor, Department of Physics, SVNIT, and one of the member of the organizing team for vote of thanks.
Thank you, Dr. Swell. So good morning, everybody, one and all. I would like to thank first and foremost, our Honorable Director to grace this occasion. And I would like to thank the Honorable Director and Head of the Department of Physics and also the Chairman CC for approving this event. And next, I would like to thank Professor Arun Anand and Professor Jignesh Panda from MS University, Baroda for their kind support as resource person in this program, and also Dr. Samit Pal from University of Kalnani, West Bengal, to support us for this program. And also resource person also includes our own resource persons, Dr. Vipul Kheraj and Dr. Himanshu Pandey. And finally, I'll also, before end this, I'd like to thank all the coordinators, Dr. Ajay Kumar Rai, Dr. Vipul Kheraj, Dr. Shaul Pandey, Dr. Himanshu Pandey for nicely organizing this event. And I'm sure that this event will be very successful. And finally, overall, the participant of this event who are actually the source of our energy to organize such events in a sequence, in a series, as we have already it's mentioned that this is our second short-term program on the same topic. And I sincerely hope that this program will be very beneficial to all the participants joined in this program, starting from undergraduate, then postgraduate, research scholars, and we also include some of the faculties from different colleges. We are sure that all of them, all of the participants will be very much beneficial. So with this, I thank you all to join this program. Over to Dr. Shari.
Thank you, Rai sir. Now I request all the attendees to turn on their camera for a while so that we can capture this moment. We are still waiting for some.
Madam, your camera is off.
Sir, it is not working actually.
Okay.
Thank you everyone. Okay, so with this, I think I would like to conclude this session. So the inaugural session is declared over, and we are now ready to move to the first technical session of the program. So I request all the participants to join this next session using the link being shared with them through email and in the WhatsApp group as well. So I thank you again, and see you all in the next session. Thank you.
Thank you, madam.